Oh, it's 7:15. We are running late. James, get up.
Is it raining?
Yes, it's pouring.
A sunny, rainy day? I want to sleep more.
I know, but we have to get up. It's your turn to make breakfast today.
Okay. I'll go make the pancakes.
Luke, Ellie, time to wake up. Good morning, my little bear. Time to wake up.
I'm too sleepy, Mommy.
I know, but I need my big boy awake. Can you open your eyes for me?
Just one eye.
Now, the other one. Sit up, please.
Okay, Mommy, I am up.
Good boy. Wake up, Sleeping Beauty.
Mom, stop. Okay, I'm awake. Who is in the bathroom? I am. Luke, hurry up! I need to brush my teeth. Okay, I am done. Luke, look at your hair. What? It is standing up. You look like a little lion.
Ellie is right. Your hair is very messy today.
I forgot to comb it.
Well, did you wash your face and brush your teeth?
Yes, Mom. Nice and clean.
Good boy. Now find your comb and fix that lion hair.
Where is my blue comb? Here it is on the shelf. I am combing my hair. Done. Finally, my turn.
Okay, guys, time to get dressed.
Mom, I want to wear my pink dress today.
Oh, Ellie, look out the window. It is raining and cold today.
But I really love my pink dress.
I know, sweetie. But you need to stay warm. Wear your long blue pants and your red sweater.
Yes, Mommy. But can I wear my pink socks?
Yes, of course, you can wear your pink socks. Put them on, please.
Yay! Thank you, Mom.
Luke, do you have your clothes ready?
I have my gray sweatpants, but I have a problem.
What is the problem?
I can't find my dinosaur sweater.
Did you look in your closet?
Yes, it is not on the hangers.
Look on your chair, Luke. What is under your jacket?
Oh! My dinosaur sweater is hiding! Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. Now hurry up and change, both of you. Breakfast is almost ready.
Okay, I will go change in the bathroom right now.
Okay, guys, breakfast is ready. Pancakes and strawberries.
Dad, where is the maple syrup?
Right here. Just a little bit, Ellie.
Oops.
Wow, that is too much syrup. Your pancakes are swimming.
I like sweet pancakes. I want milk for my pancakes, please.
Oh, I just finished this one. Good thing. I bought a new bottle yesterday. Here, Luke.
Thank you, Dad. Oops, sorry. A little bit spilled.
It's okay. I'll wipe it up. We need more paper towels.
Let me add it to the shopping list. Paper towels. And what else?
Butter. We need butter.
Okay, time to pack your bags.
I have my homework folder and my lunch box.
Good job, Luke. Ellie, do you have your lunchbox?
No, where is it?
Right here. I put some strawberries in it for you.
Thank you.
It's raining hard, so we need umbrellas.
Where is my yellow umbrella?
It's by the door. Put on your raincoats and rain boots, guys.
Mom, my foot is stuck.
Push harder, Leek.
I am pushing. This boot feels funny.
Luke, look at your feet. You are putting the left boot on your right foot.
Oh. Silly me.
Don't forget your raincoats.
Oh, I see the bus. It is coming down the street.
Hurry up, guys. Do you have everything?
Yes. Backpack and lunchbox. Me too. And we have our umbrellas.
Walk carefully to the bus, okay? Don't slip in the puddles.
Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad. See you this afternoon.
Goodbye, sweetheart.
Have a great day.
The kids are gone. Wow, what a morning.
I need to go too. I am late for work.
Do you have your keys and your phone?
Yes, I have everything. I am ready to go.
James, look at your feet.
What?
You are ready for work, but you're wearing your slippers.
Oh no. I forgot to put on my work shoes.
You can't go to the office in fluffy slippers.
I will change them right now.
Here are your shoes. Hurry up.
Thanks, honey. See you tonight.
Love you. Okay, the house is finally quiet. It is time to sit down and enjoy my coffee.